Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's look at an assertion-reason question about vision defects. We have an assertion A and a corresponding reason R. Assertion A says, some people can see distant objects clearly, but cannot see near objects clearly. Reason R states, the eyeball of such persons is too long with respect to the power of the eye lens. Let's check the options. Option A. Both are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is correct but R is not correct. Option D. A is not correct but R is correct. Option E. Both are not correct. Which one is right? Let's analyze this condition step by step. Look at the diagram. When near objects appear blurry but distant objects are clear, the condition is called hypermetropia or farsightedness. Let's check assertion A. The statement perfectly describes the symptoms of hypermetropia. Therefore, assertion A is true. Now let's evaluate reason R. What causes the image to form behind the retina? It happens either because the focal length is too long or because the eyeball has become too short. Since the reason wrongly claims the eyeball is too long, reason R is false. What is our final conclusion? Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Now please select the correct option above. Excellent. We have mastered this concept. Happy learning.